So apparently, Ricky Godinez is still the European champion. Can Lisa Morelli regain her European title? Back in WrestleMania 15. She's going for the bad opinion. Could she regain her European title?
Things to say. I have valid opinions.
Wait a minute. Christina is setting up.
Lay however you want, lay on your back, and not
no way.
so numb.
Christina just coughed and turns on Lisa. What is the meaning of this? No way. Ricky Godinez retains after Christina turns on her older sister. Here's your winner, and still the World Wrestling Federation European Champion, Ricky Godinez. Well, now the WWE Champion Braun Strowman has been deep trouble by Donovan "Bad Boy" Smith, while Sonic.exe has frustrated with M-Dubs. Hey, wait a minute. Here's Lisa Morelli. What is she doing? Look out. She just cost Sonic.exe the tag team match. What is the meaning of this?
But the second that you write that, I know exactly who you are.
And now, quick pinfall by M-Dubs, and what a huge win. Here are your winners, the team of M-Dubs and Donovan "Bad Boy" Smith.
We're doing a bigger meal, usually 50-50.
What the hell? You're just too liquidated to the green cup of coffee.
That does it!
And now Lord Morelli is setting up for the one you talked about. Brooklyn is in deep trouble, and Nick really just took a cold water to Lord's hair, and now he's attacking him with a huge pinfall, and what a huge upset victory for him.
Here's your winner, DJ Deadline.
Here comes the true WWE champion, Christina. She's here to attack her younger sister. What is the meaning of this?
Sometimes I even call myself the oldest. I'd be like, oh yeah, I'm the oldest in the family.
Will she tap out to become the new WWE champion? She's gonna do it. Hey, wait a minute. That's Sonic.exe. He just pulls the referee out of the ring, while the ref is not looking. No way. And now Catherine with the Fiona Gates.
That's a really cool.
Can she do it to retain her WWE title?
It's very strong. I like that. All right. Fiona Gates asks, how do you recover after a busy day?
No way. Sonic.exe just cost Lauren the title. Here's your winner, and still the World Wrestling Federation Heavyweight Champion, the Queen and the Goddess, Catherine Morelli.
Sonic.exe steps up with the Sonic.exe screen. Can she do it to become the new WWF champion? What? What the hell is this? The first team of Lexi Barker. They just beat the crap out of Sonic.exe. And now, Catherine Morelli gets a cover. Catherine retains.
Here's your winner, and still World Wrestling Federation Heavyweight Champion, the Queen of the Goddess, Catherine Morelli. He's setting Rachel up for the Sonic.exe screen, while Colleen distracts the ref. Will he advance to the next round of King of the Ring? Sonic.exe screen. Wait a minute. That's MC Dollars. No way. He just cost Sonic.exe to the next round. And now the cover by Rachel Bollinger. Oh my God, what a huge victory by Rachel. Here's your winner, Rachel Bollinger.
Look at that. Freddie Brown sets up for the 110 BPM. Hey, what the hell? That's a little too with the tree. And look at the huge distraction going on from Michael Buffer. And look at Michael Buffer with the roll-up. And what about set victory for her? What is the meaning of this?
Here's your winner, Michael Buffer.
He's in deep trouble now by Clyde Rustin. Wait a minute. And his gray line is here. Maybe not because it is a false alarm. And now Paul McCartney has been ambushed out of cold by Alicia Rustin. Oh my, here we go again. Clyde got distracted from the lights out from the darkness. And look at Paul McCartney go, and no way. What a huge upset victory for him.
Here's your winner, Paul McCartney.
Oh my, here we go. Baylor Edwin Cooper the man in the claw. There's a cover, and wait, there's no reference. And wait a minute, what is this? That's Clyde Bustin. He just crossed Baylor the #1 contender for the World Heavyweight Championship, not this way. And now what a feud for my little cook.
Here's your winner, Little Cook.
Here's a cover, turned away. And Little Cook kicks out. I thought Stephen Baker could win it on this one. Hey, wait a minute. Anyway, he starts showing up on the ring announcer and starts crashing on, starting to Stephen Baker. And one of the way by Little Cook. Cover. Little Cook wins.
Here's your winner, Little Cook.
Here we go. Stephen Baker's going for it. Hey, wait a minute. It's Louie. You got to be kidding me. Not this way. No way. Bushkin wins the king of the ring.
Here's your winner, the king of the ring winner, M.C. Bushkin.
Hey, look at Suntex on top of the apron. Hey,
I'm Emily,
what
I'm
the hell?
clinical practice manager
That's
for
Emily.
Manchester.
That's Emily. What the hell is Emily doing? She just got from the barricade. What the hell is wrong with Emily? I know Emily is a good guy, but now she's a troublemaker. Where the hell did she come from? She cheats, she lies, and she steals. You can't trust the Jaegers. And now Bushkin is setting up. The World Championship is on the line. Let's eliminate the winner. And now cover. Bushkin retains.
Here's your winner, and still the World Heavyweight Champion, King Bushkin.
Get caught by Sonic.exe, and it's now time for the Sonic.exe screen. This is gonna hurt your ears. It's gonna hurt. He's going for the sun. Hey, what the hell? Special MC. Special MC. He just crossed Sonic.exe. He just pushed him into the barricade. Bushkin just released how sharp he is. Special MC came out of nowhere and allowed his beatings on Sonic.exe. And now Bushkin with the cover. And Bushkin is true to the spelling bee.
Here's your winner, King Bushkin.
Robbie Craig going for it to get his U.S. title at WrestleMania. This is how you do. That is, wait, look out. Where did he come from? Bobby Lashley just pulled them away from the This Is How You Do. Referee Jim Cordes never saw it. And now Ben with the cover. And what a huge win by Ben.
Here's your winner, Ben.
He sets up for the 5,000 pounds win. He's got it. And wait, David Martin, where did he come from? Where the hell? He just crossed and left Ben as the U.S. title. And now a quick cover by Bobby Lashley, and he retains.
Here's your winner, and still the United States Champion, the almighty Bobby Lashley.